Folks, Flipknot here. Today we are back at BSG. That stands for Brap Garage. Get used to it because that's how I'm going to refer to it from now on, and that's what we've been doing. Today what we're doing is we're cleaning up this mess of a corner that is my new space at BSG. I have been kind of mildly piling up a few things. This is all going to find a place today. This is all going to get cleaned up because this week I'm getting back on the Sportster. You can see right there, I got some parts for it. Got mid controls, thanks to this guy right here. So there's no more excuses, that's why you're getting a midweek video, because by this Sunday, I wanna be working on the Sportster again and putting that thing back together, because there's no more reason to delay this, other than parts that, you know, some are harder to get than others. I got my favorite little sidekick with me today. That's my Beatles right there. She's my best little lady in the world. She's the best sidekick in the world that even Han Solo would give up Chewie for her.
Yeah, look at that pretty lady.
So besides the Sportster, I also have a bunch of other projects right here that you're all gonna be seeing very, very soon. I got some giveaways. So if you want some free stuff, make sure you head over to my Instagram. That's where I'm gonna be posting most of my giveaways, at least for now. These aren't the big ticket items. Big ticket items gonna be posted here. But these are some small, fun things. So head over to my Instagram, make sure you hit that follow button, and in the next couple weeks, you're gonna be seeing some fun things popping up on there. All right, enough messing around, let's get to this thing and just get it over with. I don't know where to put my parts right now, because if you look over here, we're getting a parts shelf. So that parts shelf should be ready by the end of the day, and when that's ready, all those parts right there are all going on that shelf. So for now, that's where they live. What other skateboard would I own? So for a quick little side project I got today is I gotta cut this little notch out of my GoPro 4 case. The case doesn't really let me put a charger on it. If you look a little closer, you'll see that there's this weird little box thing right there that won't allow me in. I'm not really going out on rides with this, so I'm not really worried about too much of the weatherproofing, so I need access to that, which means this little guy's gotta go. So I'm gonna go ahead and borrow Josh's Dremel and see if I can't cut that out without hurting myself, which is a very high possibility at this point. Make sure it's off before you plug it in. Grab your safety glasses. All right. Quick and easy is the name of the game. Let's see if I've got one more thing. Let's put some gloves on in case something flies into my hand. All right, cool. It's an easy, just a zzz. Right? Yeah, it's just that easy. I'll go pick that.
Let's see if it fits. I might have to take my millimeter off. I can probably just sand that off. Probably would not be a bad idea. Glove up. Slightly too far, but should do the trick. And before you guys make fun of my pink safety glasses, fuck you.
So again, this was a quick little mid of the week video just because I need to start coming into BSG and start producing in here. It's a new thing, it's different, it's strange. It's just new, it's different, it's kind of awesome, slightly intimidating, but I have the world at my fingertips. I'm allowed to come in here whenever I want. 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, I get an idea, I'm coming in here and I get to play around, which is the whole purpose of all this, which is phenomenal. Like I said earlier, I think Josh is gonna get this shelving done later today, which means tomorrow I can come in and I can start throwing the bike on the lift. I just rewired the controls on the Harley for the new Mini Apes, which will come out probably this Sunday. Throttle and return, new clutch cable. That'll probably finish for that video. And like I said earlier, I got products I want to review. I got products I want to talk about. I got instructional videos I'm planning on doing. Also, again, don't forget about those giveaways. They are going to be on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on there. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Folks, I'll catch you on the next one.